I mixed about 3 parts White Swan and DIY paint by Debbie's Design Diary, chalk clay based paint, and 1 part of plain old latex paint because, hey, I had to do an entire floor. And a little bit of water. However, I deeply regretted throwing in the latex paint without first adding plaster of Paris to it. And I'll tell you why in a minute. It became clear to me that if I wanted to have a relatively faster process and a smooth application, I would have to do it with my old hands and knees with a nice wide brush like the VIP from the Turquoise Iris and Paint Pixie that I've always used. Could I have used a roller and a pole extender instead so that I wouldn't have to have been on my hands and knees for hours, days? Yep. Did I think of that before I started? No, I didn't. So I resorted to crawling across the painty floor like an animal. Although, an animal that's really good with a brush. I mean, give me that, right? It reactivates with water, so even if it's completely dry, but you want to change where you've put it or you want to blend it with another color, spray a little water, and it's the same consistency as when you applied it, until after you seal it.